Guys, we are almost at 10k subscribers. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make all of those videos from the beginning to the end. I'll be showing you the behind the scene, how much work and time it actually takes to make the average of 8 to 10 minutes video you see on my channel. And this is probably going to be the most ridiculous video on my channel because I've not invested in camera equipment, and most of the things I use, they are household stuff, like things I have around, and they are quite ridiculous, but that's part of the fun of it. I'm going to be showing you everything, how I make it from the very beginning to the very end, and the frustration that comes along with making videos sometimes. If you're new here, I'm a third year medical student of the University of Ibadan, and I make videos on YouTube. If you're also a YouTuber or you are planning to start YouTube, I'm going to be showing you how to use what you already have to get the best video you could possibly get. So let's start. There are generally 6 steps in making all this video. I'm going to be talking about each of those steps in turn. The first step is getting idea. This is like, for me, it is like the easiest of all of these steps. I don't know, maybe I have a creative mind or something like that, but I try to pay attention to most of my problem. And in my book, I write my ideas in this book, and I also write it on my phone. And how do I generate most of these ideas? First of all, I pay attention to my own problems, things that I've overcome in the past and how I overcome it. That's mostly what I like making videos about, or what I'm going through in the present. I will try to solve those problems by looking out for solutions. I check other people's YouTube videos, I check blogs, I read books to get the solution to my problem. Then when I get the solution, I share it with you guys. For example, there's this video I made, how to study without sleeping off. This is personally something I've struggled with in the past. Like some years ago, I find it difficult to stay awake when studying. So I just made a video on how to stay awake because I can totally relate to it. I always ensure I do not forget these ideas by writing it down almost immediately. If I do not have this notes with me, I write it on my phone, the phone I'm recording with. I'll just write it down on the phone. There is almost 40 list of ideas I've written from the past that I've never even gone back to look at. I'm probably going to look at it when I'm beginning to run out of video ideas, but many of the video ideas always come out from the blues. This particular video I'm making, I didn't have the idea of making it some weeks back. It came recently, and I just said, since this video is easy to make, let me just make it. So the second step is researching. After getting the idea, I need to research on the topic. The researching can take up to days depending on what I'm researching on. After researching, we now come to scripting. I'm actually looking at my script. I scripted this video. I just scripted it before I start to shoot it. There are 2 ways I script videos. Sometimes I just put like bullet points. I just see a line of the point I want to talk about. In the video, I'm going to talk more on it. Sometimes I write the video word for word. After writing the script, sometimes I rewrite it just to ensure that what I'm saying is clear and it makes sense. Scripting is very important. So if I sit in front of camera without scripting, I will waste the whole time. Even sometimes with scripts, I could still waste a lot of time in front of camera. Since you now know I'm scripting this video, I'm not saying everything to my head. Let me make it obvious. So the next step is planning. Before recent, what I always do is to get the video idea without even thinking of a topic, shoot the video. Then after the video, I'll start thinking of the best topic and the best thumbnail. But I realized that title and thumbnail is very important. Like, it's one of the first things you should pay attention to. While before you even shoot the video, start thinking about your title and your thumbnail. Now, before I shoot the video, I would have put the title in my notes on my phone, and also whatever I'll put on the thumbnail, I would have written it, and I'll be thinking of, okay, what kind of thumbnail will I make for this? Thinking about it before shooting it gives me enough time for me to brainstorm and eventually pick the best title, because title matters a lot on YouTube. Maybe in another video I'm going to be talking about things that really matter that will help you grow faster on YouTube. And after planning my title and thumbnail, it is time to shoot. That's exactly what I'm doing now. The first thing to do is to set my table and my chair in front of my window so I can get the best of light. Then I gather things together to hold my phone. Next is to ensure that my chair is in the center of this grid line. I place the mop stick in the chair just to focus the video. Then I lock my exposure. This is to ensure that when the daylight changes, it is not going to affect my video and make it look bad. Then I get the external microphone and plug it in my Android phone. I'm recording this video on the iPhone. External audio is usually much better, so I clapped so that it will be easier for me to sync the audio and the video when I start to edit. Now that we've shot the video, the next step is to edit the video, and I edit the video all on VN. It's perfect. It has all the function I need for now. So I send the audio I've recorded separately from my Android to the iPhone, then sync it together. After syncing it together, I color grade the video. I like to edit it, change some of the color, change the exposure and all those stuff to get it to look the best to me. Editing can take a lot of time too, depending on how long the video is. Usually, if I'm going to post an 8-minute or 9 to 12 minutes video, the video is usually like 30 minutes long, the original video. Maybe I talk too much, so by the time I'm editing this video, anything I see that can be removed without removing the meaning from that sentence or from that point, I remove everything. So video that was initially 30 minutes long eventually comes to 10 minutes long. After editing it, I export the video, then upload it on YouTube. I wait till midnight. I don't want to waste my money to use this, so I wait till the midnight and do night plan. I could do Glow night plan for 100 naira, and that's 1 gig. 1 gig usually is sufficient to upload most of my videos. Then upload it, add the description to the video, and publish it. Thank you for watching. Please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Let's hit that 10k subscriber fast, and I'll see you in the next one.